Bratans, could Bitcoin go to 25k this weekend? This we'll speak about, Bratans, because we broke through here these two major resistance lines, and I told you here in our, let us quickly watch, in our Telegram group, which is absolutely for free here. I told you yesterday on the 20th January, I told you again, if we break again inside here in our rising wedge, and if we break the yellow line above, it's long opportunity with price tag of 25k, and a lot of you made major profits here. You see over 1,500%, 160%, 2,720%, 74, 3,500% profits. Wow, this is crazy, Bratans. I show you also in a second my trade, Bratans. If you appreciate us, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and if you want to join my Telegram group, which is absolutely for free, you can do it. I explain you in a second how, and also in my Discord channel you have an absolute for free trading course for beginners and advanced traders, Bratans. And how you can join it, here is in the description. You can go, and it's basically two steps: make registration on Bybit, deposit 500 on your Bybit account, and you get a free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. Link is down below. So right now, let us watch what could happen next. And I also speak again about FXS. You know, FXS, our coin, which we are buying since $6.40. So right now, why I wrote in the title 25k this weekend possible? Because, Bratans, we have to zoom out to understand it. It's not a clickbait. It could be quite possible. Why? Because if we are watching here right now, on the weekly, where are the major resistance? And the major resistance, you see, the one major resistance is coming here at around, or maybe it's even a small, wait a minute, I have to choose this one. It's an area, it's a resistance area. It's between 25,800 and between 26,800, right? So you see here, because we have here a lot of support and resistance in 2022, 2021, right? And we see here in June 2022, we have also a lot of resistance and support. So in my opinion, as we broke, wait a minute, I switch here back. You know, as we broke on Friday evening to the upside, usually what happens if we break to the upside Friday evening, we see pump throughout the weekend. If we're breaking on Friday evening to downside, we see dump throughout the weekend. Therefore, I'm expecting today and tomorrow on Sunday even, not Sunday evening, throughout the Sunday, expecting still more pump to come. And when the Asia market open on Sunday evening, when we are sleeping, then we see a high volatility. This is what usually happen, or latest on Monday morning at 9:30 New York time, we see when the stock market US open, we see a massive volatility, and usually to the opposite, which we saw on the weekend, so to the downside. But right now, I expect today and tomorrow further pump to 25k at least. However, there's only one big resistance line. I mean, it's not so big, like at 25k approximately. It's this white line. You see here, we got two times rejected in August 2022. We got two times rejected, so we could here, I would take some profits at 24,300. I mean, it's still a long opportunity of over 5.4%, right? If we break 24,200, I would say, then we can go even clear to 25,700, right? This is my price targets, Bratans. Please do your own research. It's absolutely not a financial advice. And I show you also my trade here. My trade is at the moment 981% in profit, over $11,200 in profits, Bratan. And if you want to know when I'm closing my trade, or when I'm opening a new trade, or potentially when I'm closing this long and will open a short, I show you this as always, Bratans, in our Telegram group, absolutely for free. How to join Telegram group, I explained you already. And now let us speak quickly about FXS, because yesterday or 2 days ago on the 19th January, I wrote you that I bought more FXS, and FXS was there at the moment $9.45. And right now, if we are watching here, FXS, wait a minute, here, $9.45. So if you bought with me here 2 days ago only, it was $9.45. So then you made already at least around 13-14% profits. And the first time when I mentioned it, it was on the 6th January, so it was here around it was at the 9th January, it was around $5.30. So if you bought here with me, we are already in profits over 100%. So this is amazing, bratans. FXS you can also buy here on Bybit. And if you make a registration on Bybit and get $500 on your Bybit account, you get this access to my Discord and Telegram channel absolutely for free. So make sure you don't missing out on this. Obviously, Ethereum further pump. I'm expecting also Ethereum further pump, because if Bitcoin pumping, then Ethereum will further pump. And for FXS, my price target is $13. Why $13? Let me go back on FXS quickly, because wait a minute, where's FXS? Where's FXS again? Because if we are watching here also FXS on the weekly, it all depends obviously on Bitcoin, because on FXS there is no resistance at all. You see here resistance, the first resistance coming $13, so expecting here also for FXS at least $13, and the next big resistance line will be here at around $17. So this could be on all 63%. Amazing, bratans. I bought a lot, hundreds of thousands of dollars of FXS and Ethereum. My price target for Ethereum for this relief rally is at least, like I explained to you, bratans, is at least between $2,500 and $3,500, right? Bitcoin, quickly back to the relief rally of Bitcoin. I'm expecting to go to at least, like I explained to 25k, or if we break here this green big resistance line, then the next price target would be here around 35k. It's still 53%. In the big picture, it's really not much, because then we would had a pump from the bottom till the resistance over 125% approximately. Back in the days when we were in a bear market in 2019, 2018, we had a pump of over 334% before we saw a big breakdown to the downside. So therefore 100% is nothing before I expecting that we are getting either to 25 or even 35k, and then we're getting rejected and reaching either 15 or even here around $8,000. So this what we right now see, this relief rally. I told you about this relief rally months ago, bratans, but I told you months ago about this relief rally, and I don't expect, bratans, that this is really the bull market back again. I told you it's not the bull market, it's a small relief rally, because we have the Fed still is not pivoting. There's coming a lot of more inflation spikes also regarding that China is opening. They will buy a lot of more oil getting more expensive. The more expensive is the oil, the more expensive the products, the more expensive is getting to buy you the products, food and so on. So the inflation will again spike throughout this year, and this also what said, by the way, Michael Burry, he copied from me, I think. So therefore, I expecting still more dump to come. However, right now it's a relief rally, making amazing money, bratans. And if you want to know more this insider information, when I'm closing trade, when opening new trade and new hidden gems, just join our Telegram group. Like I told you, really absolutely here for free. You get also news and so on and so on. And also if you want to learn how to trade for beginners and for advanced traders, you can get on my Discord channel absolutely for free a crypto trading course on the Discord channel absolutely for free. How you can get there, bratans, again here on these 3 steps in my description. Make a registration on Bybit, deposit $500 on your Bybit account, and you can do with this $500 whatever you want. Buy FXS, Bitcoin, what do you want, and or just do anything with it, and you get a free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you, and I see you later. Mwah.